Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Except today's video is a little bit different because today we're going shopping. Or more specifically, we're going on a haul to decorate my room. But just something to spice up my room because it's been plain. Anyways, I'll see you there. So here we are in the plant aisle. We're definitely gonna look for some plants for the room. So the one that ended up catching my eye is this one. Because it's $8.99. It looks good. Okay, so this is the painting we picked out at Marshall's, and then we had the plant. So never mind, at Ross. This is Ross. Now we're gonna go to Marshall's. Yeah. Shit. Boom. Loop secured. Can't even fucking see because of how fucking cold dark it is out here. But we're going to Marshall's. So we're back at Ross because Marshall's is closed. But we're getting this Vincent Van Gogh painting because we're LARPing, okay? I'm gonna put this up in my room. But yeah, or maybe shop for one more thing or something, but we'll see what else is here, I guess. For our final purchase, we're gonna be copping this for my room because I'm a man of taste and I feel like it would match my room. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. I'll see y'all when I'm decorating. Hello, voiceover me here today, and well, here's the two paintings we got. Yeah, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. They are looking real nice. As for the flower painting, this is the placement I decided for it, so this is where I'm gonna hang it up. And as for the Vincent Van Gogh painting, this thing was kind of annoying because they put a really annoying sticker on it that wouldn't come off, but I got it off eventually. And then placement wise, I decided to put it right there. And the final end result is this. This is the statue. I ended up making it a jewelry holder for my necklaces, which is actually really nice. And then here's the flower, and then here's the flower painting. Yeah, real nice spot. Here's an old painting, okay? And then here is the Vincent Van Gogh painting, okay? Yeah. There it is. Well guys, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the bell on to know when I post. And I'll catch you all next time.